Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken piccata. This is a classic Italian American dish that is so delicious and very easy to make. Let's get started. We're using chicken breasts for this recipe and we're going to start by pounding them. So cover the chicken with a saran wrap, then grab a meat pounder and start pounding. Pound the chicken until they become flat. Pounding the chicken will make them extra tender and they'll cook faster and more evenly. Once the chicken has been pounded, we're going to start seasoning them. We're going to season the chicken with some black pepper, salt, and Italian seasoning. Mix all the seasonings together, then season the chicken very generously on both sides. Once we're done seasoning the chicken breast, we're going to coat them in some flour. Make sure you have some flour on a plate, then grab each chicken piece and coat both sides in the flour. Once all the chicken have been coated in the flour, we're going to start cooking them. Drizzle some olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add some butter, then allow the butter to melt into the oil. Grab the chicken and shake off the excess flour, then place it into the hot skillet. Cook the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on one side, then turn them over and cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Once the chicken breasts have cooked on both sides, take them out of the pan, then set them aside onto a separate plate for later. Next, we're going to make the delicious, scrumptious piccata sauce for the chicken. We're going to toss some capers into the skillet. Saute the capers for about a minute and make sure you use your spatula to burst the capers. That really helps bring out their flavor. Next, we're going to hit the pan with some white wine. The wine will enhance the flavor of the sauce. Add some chicken broth and lemon juice. Don't forget to remove any lemon seed that gets in the sauce. Mix everything together and allow the sauce to simmer for 2 minutes. Then add some cold butter. Stir in the butter to melt into the sauce. Once the butter has melted into the sauce, we're going to add the chicken. Allow the chicken to cook in the sauce for about 2 minutes. Make sure you baste the chicken with the sauce while it's cooking, and the flour we put on the chicken will thicken the sauce. Once the chicken has cooked in the sauce, go ahead and plate it up. Pour the sauce all over the chicken. Then this delicious chicken piccata is ready to be enjoyed. This recipe is best served over some mashed potatoes. The chicken came out so juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. It's a very delicious recipe. If you guys would like to try it, I'm gonna leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. Thank you guys for spending time with me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!